Hello, everyone. It's Monday, April 13th, and welcome to our Pearson Clinical Assessment video newscast. My name is Tina Eichstedt, speech-language pathologist and senior product manager in Washington State.
My name is Nancy Castilleja. I'm also a speech-language pathologist and senior product manager, and I'm in San Antonio, Texas.
Before we begin our news items for today, we wanted to let you know that we spent last week listening and learning from feedback and questions that you have shared with us. Thank you. Given that many considerations for telepractice are different by profession, setting, and geographical area, we want to continue to provide resources from professionals who are experts in telepractice and/or assessment. Not all of you need or want these resources at this time, and we respect all of the different perspectives and realities in your current practice. And so with that, here are our 4 news items of the day. First is last week's Qglobal release list. Late last week, we released over 30 new digital assets into the Qglobal resource library. These components are now included in their restricted folders with free trial added to the beginning of the file name. The WISC-5 administration components are now available. Other titles now available are listed in the updated file in the top right corner of our telepractice landing page.
Our second headline is a classroom assessments update, including aimswebPlus. If you are considering using aimswebPlus for remote administration for spring benchmarking or ongoing progress monitoring, the aimswebPlus team has created resources to help. The aimswebPlus remote test administration with telepractice video tutorial includes telepractice setup, the role of the facilitator, pre-assessment checklists, and more. These resources can be found directly inside your aimswebPlus account by navigating to the How Can We Help, selecting Other Resources, and then Remote Assessment Practices. Along with the 1-hour video tutorial, you will find an attachments section with additional helpful information. We also realize that parents and other at-home support individuals may need guidance on how to install TestNav on the devices being used at home. We've created step-by-step video tutorials on TestNav installation for iPads, Macs, and Windows devices. These are available in both English and Spanish and can be found on the Telepractice and aimswebPlus webpage. Our third headline is about Qglobal webinars. We're continuing the Qglobal webinar series using Qglobal to access digital materials and administer assessments in telepractice settings. One session will be presented every day, April 13th through the 17th. Each of the sessions is the same presentation being offered on different days and times to help accommodate your schedules. These sessions will help you understand how to use Pearson's Qglobal platform to administer many Pearson assessments in a telepractice setting. You will also learn how to request access for a new account and to the different types of digital materials available, including the limited time free digital manuals and stimulus books. Each session will have an opportunity for questions and answers. Register by going to the More tab on our telepractice page.
Our final headline of the day is about 2 additional deep dive videos. 2 brief videos have been added to our telepractice landing page. First, Dr. Robin Alvarez joins me for a brief discussion on the use of facilitators in telepractice, particularly in remote assessment. Second, WISC, Wyatt, and KTEA product manager Tom Parham will show with me some hacks that can be done to set up an additional camera at the examinee's home for remote test administration. Most of our examinees will not have access to a document camera for those tasks that require a pointing, writing, or other physical response. You won't believe what we've found that we could use right in our own home. Those are the headlines of the day. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.